Brinks truck rolled up to San Francisco International Airport shortly after 7. 4 guards left the truck to collect overnight receipts, leaving 1 man behind, a guard identified as George Bosque. The suspect is a patrol special, a type of rent-a-cop who is commissioned by the city. He was working part-time for Brinks. Bosque allegedly drove the truck to the airport Hilton.
At gunpoint, he accosted one of the hotel employees, got her to release her car keys to him, obtained 2 pouches from the back of our vehicle, loaded them into the stolen car, and drove away.
The FBI and local police are following up on all leads. Brinks Company executives say the suspect got away with quite a haul.
It is United States currency, and we know that it's in excess of $1 million.
By that you mean it was all cash that he took?
That's correct.